Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony SRS XB41 Bluetooth speaker, but I am just going to call it the XB41 since it saves time. Going in at the front of the box, you can see here it has NFC, so that means if you have an Android phone, you would just tap a certain spot and it would be paired within 5 seconds, so it would be pretty quick. Or if you have an iPhone like I do, you would connect through Bluetooth, which is no problem, connects with about 10 seconds or less. You have two apps which you can customize the sound and the LEDs. The Fiestable app is for the lights and the Sony Music Center is for the sound and party booster. It is rated IP67, which means this is water resistant, so you can't submerge this in water, or I should say waterproof, so you can't submerge in water, so it's going to have that flap to cover all those ports. It claims a 24-hour battery life, which they claim a day, but it all depends on the lighting and the volume. And let's see, it has live sound mode, which I'll show you that. The lights, as you can see here. Party booster, left and right channels. So this means you could pair another XB41 Bluetooth speaker and have a left and right channel for that stereo sound. And I believe that's the wireless party chain, so you can pair it with other Sony speakers like the XB20, XB30, and XB40, and all the newer ones, all the newer ones, the XB31, XB21, you know what I'm saying. On the side right here are the apps, the Sony Music Center and the Fiestable app, available on App Store and Google Play. On the back, here are some features that I mentioned, but I'm gonna go through them again. Waterproof and dustproof. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it is also dustproof, so taking it to the beach, it would be no problem. I think that's what they have it in here. Yeah, it looks like the beach. They have a live sound mode, which I'll show you that in a second. Tap and express your sound and lighting. That is the party booster. I will show you that. And wireless party chain, so you can connect up to 100 of these. Or the older speakers, you know, you can connect up to 100 XB Bluetooth speakers. It has the USB port for smartphones, so you can charge your phone with this while playing music. Long battery life, like I said, 24 hours. Lighting for party. Speaker add function, left and right channels, like I said. It has a speakerphone, so you can take phone calls. And it charges with AC adapter and most USB power sources. So you have a choice of how you want to charge this. You know, if you're on the go, most likely have a USB charging cable would be easier. Or if you're just at home, use the AC adapter. See, that's pretty much it for the box. Yeah, I didn't miss anything. Let's open this up. Open this from right here. Packaging is a little messed up. But yeah, take this thing off. Yeah, that kind of fell off, but alright. Has the plastic right here. Just take it off. Really easy. So I'm going to place this right here. Get into that later. It has obviously the foam thing, keep it protected. Even though the speaker is very durable, but I would still, wouldn't drop it. I still wouldn't drop it. Right here, you can see your books, how to start it. So if you know nothing about it, see these, yeah, you know, usual books, just throw them aside. And this, I believe, is your power adapter, which it should be. Alright, yeah, power adapter. Let me take it out real quick. Alright, so like most large Bluetooth speakers, they would have the AC power adapter, like the JBL Extreme 2, the LG PK7. But this one, remember, you do have a choice of how you want to charge this. So going into the speaker, you can see here it has that fabric outer, I should just say. Like many new speakers, they're just coming out with this. Like all the JBL speakers, you know, kind of that trend going on. And this is waterproof, so yeah. The lights you can see here goes all around the speaker, to the bottom as well, and to this side. The Sony branding right here. You have a driver here, passive bass radiator, another one on the back. On the top of it, here is your power button. This is your Bluetooth light. You can turn on live sound mode through here. This is volume up and volume down. And this is your multi-function button, so you can answer and end phone calls and also put play and pause on your music. And right above all of those, you can see here NFC. If you have an Android phone, just tap and paired. On the back, nothing here. Obviously the base rate is right here. And on this side, you see the flap, which protects all the ports. Since this is waterproof, you can't submerge this. Right here, it is your battery button, so it will tell you the light. I mean, not the light. It just says light right there, so I just said that, not the light. It will tell you your battery. Right here, wireless party chain, so you could connect with the other speakers. And the add function, this is for if you have only one XP41. So that's the stereo sound, the left and right channels. Here is the AC adapter to charge this that came in the package. Here's the USB if you want to charge it through that. Looks like that. It's the reset button. This is the audio in. So if you have like an older just device, you can have a 3.5 millimeter connection. And right here is your power bank, so you can charge your phone. All right. On the bottom, you have your rubber feet, so it's going to keep it in place. So yeah, let's turn this on. Just one click on the power button, and it should turn on. Yep, and I forgot to mention, when you pair it with a phone, it will automatically connect whenever the speaker is turned on. So it saves time. But yeah, just look at those lights. Sony is pretty much killing it with the lights on Bluetooth speakers, like the JBL Pulse 3. That's kind of the only one with light that's portable. And you know, it's not really that great of a speaker. I haven't owned it, but I have heard it in stores. And let's just say this one's louder, the XP41. This one competes with the JBL Extreme 2, so the bigger speaker. Let's just say the Pulse 3, I'd rather get the Charge 3 for $90 right now. And obviously the newer Charge 4. So yeah, here's the lights. You can see here all around. On top. Right here as well. And the driver's right here. You can see the light is like right there. Alright, so let me play some music real quick so y'all can hear how this thing sounds. Let me see. In fact, hold on. I'm gonna do this real quick. Or I'll try to do it real quick. I don't know if I can. Alright, whatever. What was that song? Here it is. Alright, sorry it took so long, but found it.
Oh, sure. Thanks. No
There's those dumb TikTok ads, which I hate those. Skip. Alright, this is at about 50%. About 50%. I will turn it up in a second. And I will also change how it sounds. Now this does have bass. I love the bass, so let's just listen to this. Turn off the lights real quick.
I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love.
Turn this up to about 80%.
I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again. I've been going in. I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back. They will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with. I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past. I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing
100% for a couple of seconds.
I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving along. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. Getting close and I just been examining all the fake shit the game has been packaging.
Alright, so that was the test for the extra bass. I will also do this with the live sound mode, which you can turn on right here. And there it will show the light that the live sound mode is on. So again, I'm doing it at 50% and 100. Alright, this is about the 50%. Turn off the lights. Just wait for that beat drop. Yeah, alright, here we go.
come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school
100%.
and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I'm mixing, I'm master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wants
Alright, so that was the live sound mode test. Now going into the apps, I have them both downloaded. Here is the Sony Music Center. That's what it's going to look like. Open that up real quick. As you can see, it already knows it's the XB41. You know what? Someone's calling me real quick. Let me test it out while I'm at it. Test the speakerphone out. Alright, let's do this. My buddy Jesus. Yo. Hello? Alright, hold on. It's on my phone real quick. Let me connect my Bluetooth. Hello?
I can't hear you good.
You can't?
There we go. Why
Alright.
couldn't I hear you good?
Well, here's the thing. Alright, now I'm connected to the speaker. Here's the thing.
Huh?
I'm kind of doing this video. So,
Yeah, I was doing the video right now, so I called in the middle.
yeah, you were in the middle of calling, and so, yeah, you're...
So you were like, so this is like the speaker and stuff, and then you're like, dang it, you just called.
Yeah, but the video is still running, so you're gonna be in the video.
Really?
Yeah.
They're gonna post it, I'm gonna be in it.
Yeah.
You're not gonna post it, are you? Like, just by calling you with that.
Alright, hold on. I'm testing the speakerphone, so how does it sound? Do I sound good?
Yeah. Real quick.
Alright, so I am about 2 feet from the speaker. So I sound pretty good. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to hang up, continue the rest of the video. I'll call you back after I'm done with it. Alright?
Alright, bro.
Alright, see you, bro. Alright, so that was a quick test, even though that was unplanned. But yeah, y'all saw that. Here's the app, the Sony Music Center. You can see my library, which is, you know, the artist music. What the heck is this? Alright, so pretty much your music downloaded. Right here is the Festival app, which I will show you that separately. The audio in, so that's a 3.5mm connection if you have it, but I'm using Bluetooth. Here, music. Let's see, your library. Here's your Apple Music. Since I have the iPhone, go back into this. Wait real quick. You're gonna have to wait a couple seconds. Alright, almost done. There you go. And you can access Pandora and Spotify. Let me access Pandora real quick. Alright, and you could also access Spotify, which I'm not going to do it since it's pretty much the same process. Click on it, go to Spotify. Alright, gotta wait every single time. Here you go to settings. You have your sound, so you can change the sound. And check this out. Clear Audio Plus, which is Sony's recommended sound setting for music listening with one simple operation. So, I don't know, I guess that's just making the vocals more clear, not making it sound so muffled. But let me just turn that on. We'll test it out in a second. Here's your preset mode, which whenever you get the speaker and play music, it's already going to be set to extra bass mode. But if you don't really like the extra bass, if you're listening to some other type of music that doesn't really focus on the bass, you can switch over to live sound mode like I did with the button, or you can do this through the app. Or you can just have standard mode, which you are going to have to change through the app, which I personally would like. Just have a button and change the modes. Oh, which I believe you can do this. I think you have to hold the plus and minus button. But that's too much work, honestly. So I'm just going to do it through the app. I like my music, my hip-hop, rap, so I'm going to leave it at extra bass. In fact, let me put a song so y'all can hear the standard, extra bass, and the live sound. I'll do it for about 30 seconds at 70% volume so y'all can hear if there's any difference. Alright, here's the standard at about 70%, I say. 70. Yeah, it's pretty much 70. Again, this is a standard mode.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine.
Alright, that was the standard mode. I'm gonna switch over to extra bass mode. Gotta wait for the app. I personally don't really like the app, but it is what it is. The sound mode. Alright, switch it to extra bass. It's on extra bass right now.
Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in. I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me to...
That was the extra bass and the live sound. You can just do it right here, so that's what I'm gonna do. The light is on, live sound. For another 30 seconds, 20.
Telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking.
Alright, so just to be clear, the live sound mode is like pretty much just pushing the vocals forward, push the bass back. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the different sound, the modes of the sound. This app is killing me, loading every single time. Alright. So that was pretty much it for the sound. You have a DJ effect, which you can... I don't know what that is. Hold on, let me test that real quick. Put a song. We have Pretty Little Fears featuring J. Cole, Six Lack. Or I don't really know how you pronounce his name, but... about 50%. There you go again with the loading. Settings, sound, DJ effect, isolator. Let me try this. There you have a test of the isolator, the notch. Alright, notch, the jet. There's the jet and the noise. Alright, so I wouldn't use those at all. I don't know why they put that on there, but it is what it is. Illumination. Here you can change how the light flashes. I have mine on strobe. There is a couple. It depends on what you like. Let me test out. Here, let me test some out. Hot. That's what it says, hot. Go back to the song. So that's like yellow red for the flames. The heat. Let me try a couple more out. Alright, this app is killing me. Loading every single time. Alright, go back to... No, not sound. I mean illumination. Sorry, there's just so much things right here. Since the speaker does have a lot of features. I'm gonna try Calm Cinnabar, whatever that is. Alright, it's like an orange. Yeah, it's pretty much just an orange, yellowish. So it doesn't like flash on and off. It's kind of just the radiators right here. I mean the drivers. Alright, let me try one more out. Since there is a lot, it all depends on what you want. Alright, I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna try Calm Light Bulb. It's kind of like an aqua. Got this at 100%. Of course, the song just ended. Why have to do me like that? But alright.
Who the fuck are you?
Alright, gotta put pause on Lil Uzi. Got the music center. Here we go again. Loading. Settings. Power option. What is this? Audio standby. If the audio device is not in use for approximately 15 minutes, the device turns off automatically. Alright, so you can turn that off or have it on. Bluetooth standby. You have option of on or off. Battery level says here fully charged, which you could also check from the back. In fact, let me see if it says the same thing as fully charged. Open the flap up. Open the flap up. Or battery.
Battery fully charged.
Yep, battery fully charged. These things do last a long time. Let's see, battery level, voice, off, what is this? I don't know. Let me press the button again.
Battery fully charged.
Alright, so I don't really know what that is, but I'll try to figure that out. Go back, other settings, Bluetooth, codec, autos. Alright, I'm not going to mess around with that. System, SRS XP41 version, so it tells you what speaker this is. Of course, it also says it on the box. And here we go, party booster, tap settings. Now there is some presets like the drum kit and the percussion. I'm gonna do the drum kit real quick. So you just gotta hit sides of the speaker, like the middle right here. The sides. The top and the bottom. So if you're into making beats, you know, you can make your own. There's also percussion. So let me try what this is about. Percussion. Oh, yeah. Alright. Or you could also make yours custom like I did. Here's my custom. The one I made. Alright, whatever. Alright, that was a little snippet of my awesome beats. No, I'm just playing with y'all. That was awful. But yeah, when you turn it off, you can just put off right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Sony Music Center.